Hello friends, today we will not play, today we will unbox my Hello Kitty kitchen. There is many stuff, oven, kitchen. Now I'm so excited to open them. It's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. And it's Hello Kitty with her bear. Let's flip the place. Wow. It's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty has a little bear. There is another so much toys over here. There's a blender machine. Wow. Let's start unboxing. Okay, just flip the place. Let's unbox them. I'm so excited. One. Slowly down, 3, 4, and flip over here again. 1, 2. Okay, we are done. Flip. I am a little afraid. Oops. Oh, it's a little small place. Need to open it. Okay, this one open. Okay. Display open. Okay, slowly. Let's start with the oven. It's hard to take them from over here. It's very hard. Okay, we need to open the whole thing. Hard to open it. Okay, I know now. Oh yeah, that's what I like. Wow, our kitchen set. It's an oven. You can open and put some food and close it. Oops. We can close it, then again open. We can close it and put some food and close it. Okay. Wow. So much balls. Wow. I like this thing. It has cup strip, but I'm not opening because there is small balls inside. If I open the cup strip over here and over, what do you? The all balls will fall. That's why I'm not opening. put it here. It's we can open this. It's the tank. When we put water inside it, then we take this thing, then we need to put the tank on the thing. Then when you put water on it, you need to press it and put a glass over here, and the water will fall over here. Okay, it's the kitchen. You can cook anything you want over here. Wow. Let's start putting the things. Put the set over here. Put over here one. Okay, one here. And one over here. And one can go over here. And the oven also. Put the box over there. The oven can go over here. Wow, so much things. Let's give our dolls. Oh, I buy some dolls today. It's my new doll. You can't see her. Hi, I am Mila. I like this place. Wow, there is kitchen. Wow, I want to cook something. You can cook anything you want because it's yours. Oh, my friend will join me. What? You have friend? Who is it? He is Mahi. Means Mila and she is Mahasi. There is a little Carly. We are both friends. Oh, yes. I don't want to. I am a little sick. Achoo. Need to go home. Okay. Bye. Okay, bye. Okay, let's start cooking. Wow, so much things. I want to cook. Oh, is this open? Okay, the pie will be done. Wow, I like this. I want to drink some water. I'm very thirsty. Wow, your new kitchen set is so beautiful. Thank you. You're welcome. Wow, I want to cook something. Okay, you can cook after the video is done. Bye friends. See you next time. Like and subscribe. I will give more fun videos. Bye. See you soon. Hello friends. My name is Mehek. Today we will not play. Today I will unbox my kitchen. Okay, there is many things. It's Barbie kitchen. We will unbox it. There is so much drawers. There is pot. There is glass. Oh, there is plates. There is a window. Outside it's night. And a Barbie doll is coming. Let's start unboxing. Let's do it slowly. One. Okay, slowly. Oops. Oof. Oh, there is one more over here. I'm done. Let's put over there and okay, we need to do yes. It's so spiky. Wow, so spiky. Over here is so spiky. But we can't. And let's open the Barbie kitchen. Let's put this over there. Now, our friends will come to cook over here. Okay, my Barbie friends will come. Okay, and there is so much things. There is 2 glass, a 1 jug. There is 2 pots, and there is fork, knife, spoon. There is so much drawers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 9 drawers. It's so wow. Let's call our Barbie dolls. They will cook over here. Okay, one Barbie doll's name is Pinky. Let's call her. Poof! I am Pinky. Hi. Oh, wow. Is this mine? Yes, it's yours. Thank you. Wow, there is so much things. I want to cook here. Let me call Bluey. What happened? There is my new kitchen. It's only for Barbies. Oh, yay! It's our new kitchen. Hooray! 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 Let's start cooking. Wow, there's so much things. What? Why can't I open it? Oh, let me open it. There is rubbers. That's why you can't open it. Let me put out the rubber. Let's take the pot. Okay, it's okay. I can't open it. Okay, I will cook something over here. I am cooking chicken. Wow. I want some water. Of course. Here is the jug and there is some water glass to drink some water. Let me drink some. Wow, I was very thirsty. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, I'm going to play outside. Okay, I'm making chicken. Now you go and play. When you come home, we will eat some chicken. Okay, bye. Bye. Oof, she's playing. Now I can make the chicken. Oh, I forget to clean the dishes. Let me clean them. they are all done. Oh, the chicken is burning. Whew. Oh my, the chicken was burning already. Phew, the chicken is ready. I am home. The chicken is ready. You are home. Yay! Chicken ready. Hooray! Okay. Drink some water and clean your face. You are so dirty because you need to take a bath because you are very dirty. Okay, I am going to take a bath. Then we will eat my chicken. Okay, she's taking a bath. That time I need to do the works. Chicken is done. And now I can give my little friend Barbie the chicken. Hooray! 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 Now we will eat the delicious chickens. I want to dance. Hoo-hoo! Let's dance. Hoo-hoo! I want to join you. Woohoo! Today we will have chicken. Oh, you want some chicken? One piece. Here you are. Thank you. That was yummy. Another one. And you can go read your books. Okay, I need to study. You can study English. Okay, after English, I will study Bangla. Good job. You can go now and study. Okay, she's done. Now I need to have some chicken because I don't eat chicken. Now I will eat some. It's so delicious. The chicken is very delicious. I love it. Okay, I am done eating my chicken. Now I need to go and sleep. Now I'm sleepy. Let's go sleep. Good night, everyone. Goodbye. See you soon. Like and subscribe. I will give more fun videos. Bye. See you soon.